I'm Diksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me and if you like what you watch, then please do consider subscribing my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a JOMSO kurti set unboxing. So without wasting time, let's get started. This is how the package was sent. It comes in this JOMSO courier bag, which I think is decent enough. Now let me just open this up and see how the product actually looks. I opened the courier bag. This is how the product looks. They've sent it in a clear plastic cover bag. First, the kurta top. This is how it looks. It comes in this grey color and has like a beautiful neckline or neck detailing going on, and there's this yellow and red thread detailing. It has like a 3/4 sleeve, and to the bottom of the sleeve part it has this yellow and red piping detailing going on, and the stitching is really nice. They have given a zigzag stitch as well. The length of the kurta is above knee and is not very long, so I think you can actually pair it up with jeans or any pant of your choice. Bottom of the kurti, this is how it looks. It has like a straight embroidery detail going on, and to the bottom it has like a tangle here, and there's a thread as well. The quality of the fabric is really smooth and nice. It's a pure cotton fabric and it is not fully stitched, so you'll have to get it stitched according to your fittings, which I think is nice. Coming to the skirt, it's a very different skirt. It has like a ruffle detailing, and it's something different, and I think it's in trend these days. So the 3/4 of the skirt is yellow. It's just plain, and then the beauties here, it has like a maroon and a grey frill bottom, which is different and very unique, and the frill detailing and the stitching is very nice. I'll give a very closer picture of this. The fabric used here is a muslin silk, and to the inner it again has like an inner lining which is satin and is a very good satin fabric. And the flare of the skirt is 5 meter. Coming to JOMSO's site, it's very easy to order their product because they do have WhatsApp number and a website as well. So whichever you feel is easy and convenient, you can go and place an order. Secondly, they do have good customer support. Now if they are not replying on their page, you can go and WhatsApp them. They have given their WhatsApp number as well, and very easy return as well. You can return it within 7 days and you will get a credit note, not a refund. Credit note means you can actually purchase any of their other products, and I think the credit note is valid for a long time. And the best part is they do have cash on delivery. The price of this product was originally 3,300 rupees and the offer price was 1,650, which I think is the best deal. And I really like the fabric, the color combination, and it looks exactly like how it is shown in the picture, nothing different. And the best part was you can actually alter it or get it stitched like the way you want it. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and share it, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. You want to unbox? Pogo, you want to unbox? You want to unbox with me, Babu? You want to unbox with me?